Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here, the Laptop Freedom Warrior and Internet Traffic Junkie. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly clean your Aweber list and get rid of the deadbeats and keep your monthly expenses at a minimum, especially with Aweber, a third-party autoresponder. Now, before I get into this and show you exactly how to clean your Aweber list, these same steps can be taken in other email providers such as GetResponse, SendShark, SendLane. You know, there are a bunch of them out there. I do have an account also with GetResponse, and I also have a list or a contact manager within my marketing system, PLS. And the process is basically the same, but I want to walk you through this. And as you can see here, I currently have a total of a little over 13,000 email subscribers in total, in combination of all the lists I have within my Aweber. And I actually haven't cleaned it thoroughly. Like I'm going to walk you through the process here. I'm going to walk you through going through this list. The first thing you want to do is pick a list that you want to go ahead and do. Once you're on that list, right, you want to go under subscriber, manage subscribers, go into added last year, and on this tab where it says date is on or after, you want to put date is on or before a year ago. So anyone that has gone on your list, that you've got the information right, that are on your list a year from today. Today's November 1st, 2019. So this is going back a year. You're going to go ahead and search, and it's going to pull up, you see, there's the total here that it pulled up. But I want to add one more stipulation, right? Now, as I continue building the list, I want to get rid of deadbeats. And if people are on my list and they're not opening my emails, you know, I want them the hell out of here, because it costs me money to maintain my Aweber account, and the more subscribers I have, the higher your costs for storing your data here, right? So, and before I forget, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to have a gift for you. I'm going to give you a gift, and I'll go through that in just a second. But so getting back to cleaning your Aweber list, right? So you want to select the list, go to added in the last year, and on this tab you want to click date is on or before a year ago. Click search, and I want to add one more stipulation. I want to go ahead and hit, you can, you know, clean your list however you want, get rid of people in certain countries and whatnot. But for the purposes of this video, anyone who hasn't opened an email that's been on this list since last year, this time, and I'm going to go back 2 years, right? You know, there's many thoughts about this. Me personally, I'm testing this out. This is the first time I'm cleaning my list because I want a higher open rate, a better deliverability rate with Aweber. And that's why you want to periodically clean your list, right? Outside of keeping your expenses down. But I'm going to go back a full 2 years. Anyone who's currently on this list that hasn't opened an email in 2 years, I'm going to go ahead and click search. It's so in this list, I believe there's a total of 100 people, but regarding anyone who hasn't opened an email for me in 2 years, there's 53 people here. So I'm going to click this. It's going to highlight all of them, and I want them to get the hell out of here. Delete. Bam. Get out of here. So I got rid of that. So I just cleaned that list out. Now, the other thing you can go is to any unsubscribes that are on that list. You want to go ahead and get them off. And any undeliverable uh, emails that you get, you want to delete and clean. So, that being said, that's how you clean and keep your email list clean. And you do this, it's similar steps for the different autoresponder, third-party autoresponders. This one is Aweber for my Aweber account. And I'm going to go back here to my home page. So I've cleaned out my list. I'm not sure why that hasn't updated. But I've cleaned out my list, right? Sorry, this is actually the as I'm explaining this to you, it's actually the first time I'm doing this here. But I can go ahead and I'm going to go through all my other lists. I'm going to continue to clean them out, keep this nice and trim. I want to lower and get rid of the deadbeats on my list to keep it clean, keep my deliverability with Aweber good, get my open rates better, and my click-through rate better. And that will happen as I keep cleaning these lists out. Now, because you stuck to the end, I want to, there'll be a bonus below this video, somewhere in the description of this video. I'll be posting it on YouTube. But below this video, you'll have a link where you can get a free lead system. It's basically a free marketing system that will that comes with a built-in contact manager where you can start promoting the free, giving away the free lead system, and start creating an email list of your own that you can market and promote any product that you currently may have. Now, there'll be a link for that bonus below. There'll also, if you don't have an Aweber account, I will put a link for that below as well. So you can go ahead and get your own Aweber account. I believe they have a 7-day free trial membership. And that being said, I'll catch you on the next video.